Gracie and Co. Institute of Information Technology GCIIT Society mau kerwat ringkat ke District Commerce and Industry Centre DCIC Southwest Khasi District mentaka sngi ka arpa artareng uyayang arhaja arpsan klayo pan plebyang ya ka shlam ai jing hikai ne ka training saha ka baar second batch training baki samla kin yo ban pintip kata hak electronics but electrical appliance repairing and EAR hakaba ya kajingalang na pelong ha GCIITS Training Center mau kerwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Laban kedau baya kani ka program ni kajinghikai kadai hapoh jong ka scheme raising and accelerating MSME performance RAM ba labay tingka da ka World Bank tang kata ki samla ki ban sa sya hikai ni sya pintibit ki dan baro san pongun kata hak electronic appliance repairing ki dan arpusan ngun ki samla pat haka electrical appliance repairing ru ki dan arpusan ngun ki samla bat ka jing ai jing hikai na ka benta jongki kan long tang hapo khat san sngi kumban chupan kan mau ba ka Gracie and Co Institute of Information Technology ne ka GCIIT Society mau kerwan las dangya ka naduh ukhatway tirek ukalalingkon jong usnam arhajar khatway bat minta kala nangya shemphang ha kabalas dang ban bo ki jaka ai jing hikai ha ki jaka ba pher ban ai jing hikai ki samla shinrang bat kinthai ki balaya don lang ha kani kasngi ki long uba Akshat Joshi ubade nakaram consultant kum kongsan uba VW nongsynshar ubade utrai jongka Gracie and Co Institute of Information Technology ne ka GCIIT Society mau kerwan uba G Lyngba Assistant General Manager jongka District Commerce and Industry Centre DCIC Southwest Khasi District upastor LE Jerwa upastor BK Shangpliang lempat kinong tray hapo ka GCIIT Society mau kerwat ringkat kinong wan sya hikai niki training.
Ngaso sarong bangan dan bentah akan inauguration function mo jong kaneka executive course on training on electrical and electronics appliance. Ko namta ka jikte jong kaneka ka second batch. Dangshan mo ba once rai ka first batch agwa gidan option word mo. Te khanjat kuman song u sir Joshi ulaba time dan spangkaram te khana namta ka jing stu ba jong ke kaneka training ka ba pin sa atan mantan dai kadai kum shibanta jong kali kawan udah komponen jong kataka RAM hagaba dapat ini perform mereka racing and accelerating MSME performance te keyboard ki komponen hakani ka RAM scheme te kawai kita kani ka training ka ba pini atan mo pi mo te ka jingthu jong kani ka training ka long gumta ban dang ye kantiu ya ka skills hagbai de bat kini ki repairing of electrical electronic appliance kumuang sa Joshi mantamaneo kuli na pila ban motor kanu kidan ki mobile users apo India ma te gajwa kalong sispa apo klur te nakini te ka kalong da ka potential kumo pite hi timar hi kat badang sna ubri ka don hi ka chances ba kinsneo te lada sneo kidan tam repairing kani ka taite kumta tayo badan namta kini ki electrical electronics appliance mamle tang mobile keyboard gi gero te ka kane ka training ka ba pinsayo manta maybe phila bas no ba kampat long kampat long complete ma maybe kala ban long tang ka basic lane ka beginning mo ka jing sedang mo ba try na try ka lumpat la cover here in these 10-15 days ka ba ka course tingi kimi ganti ba kani ganti ka jingsdang ya ka ba phi hi nga kamen ba pi 1 shani ru ka mdei ba shupos ka dei ka interest jong phi hi te maybe ngam ong hi kata ba boro ang ne 100% pinong successful ba pin shemphang ni kalan tama alis layo kini ki basic skills te ngi kamen ba maybe ndadan nak liang jong phi pindang la ban dang pursue shu sakman hagwa phila ban dang wa chu kila kilti kumno bandang specialize hawai ba kani ka kam ko phi ma te khandia tu na kalyang ko office jong ero kombo pyntip longba ngi kadai ka office hakaba ngirap ban betul nanti ban peni nanti ya kini ki entrepreneurs ma hakaba de ban sengi kam la jong te kumta nakalyang jungi kentu yepi Lyngba kani ka training dat la long confident da pisngo smap tho e kata ka potential ka ba pila ban tap la da pisngo tho ba market ka don pila ban wan sengi ban la da pisngo don kam e kata ka financial assistance ha ka ba pin sengi ki kam la jong ngidan ki schemes ki dik ka central scheme ko ba ki khot ka PMEGP ma Prime Minister Employment Generation Program kadai ka scheme jong ka Ministry of MSME he te pila ban la ngamong no ba immediately season dep khani ka training ba phin apply no ata scheme ma phi search for experience first number long immediately season that training hinom among bo pimla kama still I think he don't come here bo pindan experience ra halfway day but ka ni ka kam bo pije then da pila small long da pila yo ta experience pila long confident then only te pisa one shakmat ban avail ya ka financial assistance la pi don't come and set up ya ka kam jong phi
So they focused on how to, get them on ground again, get them up running. So in this initiative, there are a lot of things that the government planned to do. One of that is capacity building. So capacity building involves basically youth like you who have some sort of skill, but are ready to take the leap of faith. Just by acquiring few skills, few knowledge that you have acquired in this course from your trainers, and I'm sure that these skills will make you, will enable you to earn more money, to create employment. So in today's world, it's always good to be a job provider than job seeker. So I feel that with this training, the skills that you have gathered, you will be able to be a job seeker, not a a job provider, not a job seeker. So this is about RAM, and I always feel that this course, that is electronic and electrical, is very close to my heart because the potential India has in this sector is tremendous. Does anyone knows how many mobile users are there in India? Any random guess? How many people use mobile phones? Come on, any random guess? Yeah. Okay. So around 120 crore people are using mobile phones. So you can understand the amount of potential. Nowadays, everyone has a mobile phone. When you are like in class 8, 9, you will get a mobile phone. And every year, a person will go to a mobile repairing shop. A person will do anything with the mobile. So India is the country which has highest number of mobile users. So you are in a sector which is going to bloom like anything in coming years, and India will be the heart of this. Recently, I'm not sure if you're aware about this, that there was one semiconductor industry that was put up in Assam very recently. So government of India is looking at Northeast because there's a lot of untapped potential. These youth like you who have a lot of potential but have not like contributed that much to the economy because you are much more capable. So training programs like this will not only enable you to, as I said, to be a job provider, but also this will create sense of confidence in the entire society. There's a lot of examples from this program wherein the person learned a new skill and entire his family, his friends got employment because of that one person. So this is the level that we want you to go. This is just the starting, and if there's any other support that is required from the department side, so you are free to reach out to your trainers. You can reach out to us. You can reach out to TCIC. All of these institutes are here to help you to build you a better person, like who can run his own business. In the way you learn many things, because now you will be on the ground, you will be doing a lot of things. But remember all those things that were taught to you in training, and always be honest with your work. Always try to learn. Learning never stops. In fact, for me today also I'm learning. Tomorrow also I'll learn, because that will what will make you a better human being. So always be honest to your work, and that's pretty much it. And thank you so much, everyone. And I wish you all the very best. Thank you.